Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is thalassemia. And this disease, firstly, before 2 years back, it was not there in the NCERT. It was in the study material, that the supplementary material that was present in the last page of the NCERT that was given. Now it is added in the main chapter, like the chapter principle of inheritance. So these topics are added after, so these are very important, like color blindness, this thalassemia, and sex determination in case of honeybee. So these three topics are added as the supplementary material. So these are very important. So let us understand this disease, thalassemia. So it is also known as Mendelian disorders, and it is the autosomal recessive. Now, after understanding the disease, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, now you can better understand what is autosomal recessive. Means if the disease causing gene is present on the autosomes and it is inherited in recessive manner, then it is known as autosomal recessive, because the disease causing gene is present only one of the chromosome, one of the two chromosome, and the chance of the disease is only when both the parent are unaffected or the carrier for that disease. Let's take example, the first parent having the gene on one chromosome and the second parent also having the gene on the other chromosome. So these both parents are the carrier, and then there will be the possibility of the progeny having the thalassemic progeny, because one from the from this parent and one from this parent, then there is the possibility. So if there is the chance of this condition, mostly the parents are the carrier, because if the parent is affected, then there is the less chance of the survival of the parent. So this condition means if both the chromosome having this gene, this condition is very less, because that is the affected individual, and that affected individual survive not survive for that age. So that is very rare. The survival percentage that is low in this case. So only when the thalassemic progeny will be there if both the parent are the carrier. So now it is the autosomal recessive, and you can learn it with the help of ART, autosomal recessive T for thalassemia. तो इस वर्ड से आपको थैलेसीमिया डिसीज जो है ये कैसी होगी, ऑटोजोमल रिसेसिव, ये आपको याद रहेगी. नाउ व्हाई दिस डिसीज कॉज, so that is due to the mutation or the deletion in the chromosome, number 16 and in the chromosome number 11, and of which chromosome number 16 and 11, and the gene which help in the formation of the alpha and the beta chain in case of hemoglobin molecule. In topic sickle cell anemia, I told you that the hemoglobin molecules have the 4 chain, 2 alpha chain and the beta chain. But these chains are different in case of the infants, in case of the newborn baby, in case of the adult. So these are different. Now we are just going to discuss about the adult. So in the adult, there are the 2 chains, the alpha chains and the beta chains. So on the basis of these chains, if these chains are affected or there is the abnormal formation of these chain, then what will be there? Abnormal formation of these chain can cause the abnormal formation, and finally there will be the anemia. So this thalassemia, it is divided into 2 categories, thalassemia, alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. If in case of hemoglobin molecule, the alpha chain is affected, means the abnormal formation of alpha chain is there. Why this abnormal formation? Because the gene regulating the formation of alpha chain, that is affected. like the gene on present on chromosome number 16. So this is the alpha thalassemia, and if beta chain is affected, then it is named as beta thalassemia. So firstly, let us understand alpha thalassemia. So in case of alpha thalassemia, there are the two genes HBA1 and HBA2. These two genes are present on chromosome number 16, on the short arm of chromosome number 16, HBA1 and HBA2. And because the chromosomes, these are coming from both the parent. In case of human being, there are the 23 pairs. So 23 come from the father and 23 come from the mother. So we can say the chromosome number 16 of father and chromosome number 16 of mother. So chromosome number 16 having the two genes of father and also of mother having the two genes HBA1 and HBA2. So when alpha thalassemia occur, if one of the four genes, ये four genes हो जाएंगे because two on the father and two on the mother. So if four genes are affected, then there will be the abnormal formation of this alpha chain, and if this alpha chain is abnormal, then there will be this disease alpha thalassemia, and there will be the anemia. Next is the beta thalassemia. In case of beta thalassemia, chromosome number 11 is affected. So let us, these two chromosomes are there, chromosome of father and chromosome of mother. So this HBB gene, here is only one gene. So one gene present on father chromosome and one gene present on mother chromosome. If chromosome number 11 of father and chromosome number 11 of mother having this defected gene, that is HBB. So if these two genes are absent, then what happen? Then there will be the beta thalassemia. So I think you understood. There are the two types of thalassemia, alpha thalassemia and the beta thalassemia. And what will be the symptom of this disease? Anemia. So you have heard about sickle cell anemia also. So sickle cell anemia, it is also a type of anemia. But this thalassemia, it is also a type of anemia. So what is the difference in between? The difference is that in this thalassemia, the quantity is affected. And in case of sickle cell anemia, quality is affected. So let us understand these two terms. Quantity is affected and the quality is affected. Because if these genes are not present, then there is the abnormal formation of alpha chain. अल्फा चेन की जो क्वांटिटी है, अल्फा चेन नहीं बनेगी, और अल्फा चेन अगर नहीं बनेगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? एनीमिया, एबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन होगा. एबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन होगा तो वो ऑक्सीजन को कैरी नहीं कर पाएगा, और ऑक्सीजन को कैरी नहीं कर पाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? एनीमिया. लेकिन इन केस ऑफ सिकल सेल एनीमिया, द नॉर्मल आरबीसीज, जो बाइकनकेव शेप की आरबीसीज होती हैं, दैट चेंज इनटू सिकल सेल. तो जो सेल्स की जो क्वालिटी है वो अफेक्टेड हुई है इन केस ऑफ सिकल सेल एनीमिया. सो क्वालिटी इज अफेक्टेड. Okay, so quality is affected, and in case of sickle cell anemia, and in case of this thalassemia, quantity is affected. So I think you understood the thalassemia. Thalassemia, it is the autosomal recessive disease, and why? If there is the mutation in the gene present on chromosome number 16 or deletion या तो जो जीन के अंदर म्यूटेशन हो जाए या फिर क्या हो जाए, डिलीशन हो जाए। कौन से क्रोमोसोम नंबर पे, 16 पे। तो कौन सी डिसीज होगी, अल्फा थैलेसीमिया। और इफ देयर इज द म्यूटेशन और डिलीशन ऑन क्रोमोसोम नंबर 11, तो कौन सी डिसीज होगी, बीटा थैलेसीमिया। So I think you understood this disease, thalassemia. Thank you.